This is no insurance charges in Ontario. Lesson 2, is there a quick fix? My name is Jon Cohen. I'm a partner at Next Law, and this video is based on a very important topic regarding a no insurance ticket or a charge in Ontario and how to fix the issue before your court appearance. Now, you can take our no insurance penalty test at insurance.nextlaw.ca and find out what your penalties may be when you get to court. Now, the officer charged me with no insurance. Is there something I can do now to make the charge go away? Now, once you've been charged, there is generally nothing you can do to make the charge actually go away. However, this video will address ways in which you can start on the path to fixing the issue and presenting the best version of yourself and your current situation by the time you get to court. An insurance check by the officer at the roadside is standard procedure for most routine traffic stops. So the police officer often checks your insurance, license, etc. as a matter of course for all traffic stops. And this is how they found out that you didn't have a valid insurance policy on the car. So regardless of the original reason for the traffic stop, if you do not have a valid insurance policy, you can be charged with that $6,250 ticket under Section 2(1) of the Compulsory Automobile Insurance Act, CAIA, in Ontario. So question is, how can I start to fix this issue right now? Let's start with the most obvious, but also the most important. Call your insurance company and fix the issue as soon as you can. This will show a justice of peace that you remedied the issue as soon as you found out about the fact that you didn't have a valid policy. Or if you can't use your current insurance company because something happened there due to some sort of issue, get a broker to start calling around to get you a new policy. Often, a justice of the peace, which is sort of like the judge in provincial offenses traffic court, considers a valid insurance policy an important part of your submissions, your story, when dealing with your no insurance charges. The justice of peace may ask how long you were driving without a valid policy, or if you are now currently insured. So, is that it? There's nothing you can do. You have to pay $6,250. Well, absolutely not. Just because you have been charged with a no insurance ticket or charge, it doesn't mean that you will be convicted of no insurance or have that $6,250 fine. The charge is just the beginning of the legal process, and now it is time to get some legal advice and proceed very carefully. While no insurance may seem like a simple traffic charge that many people may not take seriously, let's think more about how you would function if you had to pay $6,250 or more out of your bank account. That's how serious this charge can be if not dealt with properly. So understand that I'm not doing this video to get your business. I'm doing this video to educate you and to get you to reach out and get some free legal advice, because a proper law firm that specializes in no insurance charges may have a strategy and a legal course of action that can prevent these huge fines. And best of all, the call's free. So you could scroll down below, you can book a free meeting with Dan Joffe or myself, Jon Cohen, and there is no obligation to retain us, but the call could change everything.